Hello students, in aptitude series today let us watch a video on classification of numbers. Okay, so usually we will be studying a lot of things, but this is the foundation for aptitude series. Now, what is a number? So numbers are the mathematical objects that are used for counting, measuring and labeling. Whatever you learn in numbers, first you will be counting and measuring and then you will be labeling it. Okay, so that is how it goes. Now how you will classify those numbers? Those numbers you are classifying will have basic fundamentals of counting. Okay, so first it will be basics of numbers and then it will be going on to the properties. Okay, you should know what are the properties a particular number holds, and then you will have to find out what are the relationship between each and every number. Okay, that is a connection between different types of numbers. Okay, so next, when it comes for classification of numbers, we have different types of numbers: natural numbers, integers, fractions and decimals. Okay, so let us learn about it in detail. Now here in this picture there are different types of numbers. Okay, natural number, whole number, integer, rational, irrational and real number. Now how that is located in a number system, that we should understand. The center position holds for the real number, that is in green color, and the next is for the rational number. Third one is going to be your integer, fourth one is going to be a whole number, and the final one, okay, that is going to be your natural number. Okay, so now we will learn about it in detail. Now, before you go into this, we should know what is a subset. Okay, subset is a place where a set holds another set inside it. That is called as a subset. Okay, now how this real number, rational number, integer, whole number and natural number, this goes in this order. Real number, okay, so natural number will be a subset of a whole number, and whole number will be under integer, and integer will be under rational, and then it goes for real number. Okay, now all rational and irrational numbers comes under real number. Okay, now numbers that are expressed a fraction will be under rational number. Integers, okay, the whole numbers which have both positive and negative numbers will be under integer, and natural number plus 0 will be coming under whole number, and natural number is basically the basic counts of numbers. Okay, so hope you understood what is what. Okay, now next, what is a natural number and a whole number? Natural number are set of positive integers. Okay, that is starting from 1. Okay, it will don't have any fractions or decimals or anything like that. Okay, it will be just a number. Okay, now this will be usually usually closed under addition and multiplication. Okay, subtraction, you cannot do subtraction or division when it comes for natural numbers. Okay, next, for whole numbers you will have natural numbers counting from 0. Okay, so this closure property can be understood by the diagram which I have mentioned in this slide. Now when it comes for integer, okay, whole numbers have the negative numbers inside it. Okay, that is when you have -3, -2, -1, -23, -46, like that. Okay, you will have negative numbers inside this, will come under integers. Okay, so number values includes positive and negative number values, and the closure property is under here. Since there is a negative number, so the property for addition, subtraction and multiplication will come under this. Okay, now next, going to understand what is a rational and fractional number, because there is a must to understand what is a rational number and fraction. Okay, so rational number can be expressed in the form p by q, that is you will have a numerator and denominator where p and q are integers. It can be both a positive and a negative number, that is why it is mentioned as integers. Now this rational number includes both terminating and repeating decimal. In forthcoming slides I will be explaining what is a terminating and repeating decimal also. Now a fraction represents a part of whole and is represented in the ratio 1/3, 1/2, 3/1, 4/1, like that. Okay, it can be proper and improper also. Now what is a proper fraction and improper fraction? A proper fraction will have the denominator will be greater, improper will have denominator less. Okay, hope you all know that. Now what is a terminating and non-terminating decimal? Decimal which will be having 0.25 means it is going to terminate. It will not have any other numbers after the decimal point. Now 0.666, it will go on like that. It is a repeating decimal. Now the rational number will be holding this terminating and repeating numbers where irrational number will be holding non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. What is non-terminating? It will be 0.32325678. Okay, the number which is not repeating, okay, that will be coming under non-terminating, that will be coming under this irrational numbers. Okay, so that is what terminating will have finite number of digits, repeating digit will be 0.333. These two will come under rational number. The number which is non-terminating and it is keeps on repeating will come under irrational number. Now this is the whole representation. The real numbers will be inside, hold all types of rational irrational numbers, and then that will come under complex number. Complex number holds real number and imaginary number too, and then it comes for rational number, and then it will be integer and natural number. Okay, this is the slide, okay, which you will make understand better. Real number hold rational and irrational. Rational number will be holding non-integer and integer. Then comes under negative numbers, integers and whole number, 0 and natural number. Hope you understood the basics of number system, and keep on watching the video series for learning aptitude series. Okay, thank you.